Hey, we're here in South Florida, and I get the privilege and opportunity to hang out with Mr. Alex Pardo. Anything happening special this summer in any of your events?
Well, as far as family, so I'm somebody who, we talk about real estate being a vehicle, and it's really to live the life we kind of want to live. So I'm fortunate, super grateful. We're traveling around Europe for 3 weeks. We're going to Italy.
Oh, that's exciting.
And then, we have our Ascend Mastermind Retreat coming up in a couple of weeks. And again, that's always a ton of fun to hang out with entrepreneurs across the country and find out what's going on in their life and business. And I always grow from those events, whether I'm leading one or whether I'm just an attendee.
Awesome. I'm so glad that, and you're touching so many people's lives. Don't you have a podcast?
Yeah, called The Flip Empire Show. So it's coming up in 2 weeks, actually.
Oh,
it's going to be the 7-year anniversary.
7 years?
Yeah,
wow.
It's insane.
What episode were we on?
We're on right now 695.
Oh,
it's
my
going to be
goodness.
this Monday.
Oh,
but yeah,
wow.
I remember when I did it, I told myself I'm going to be consistent doing this for a year. And then fast forward now 7 years, and I'm still hosting it, which is pretty cool.
Awesome. Well, thanks for hanging out with us today. We're off to go watch some more dance.
Let's do it.